Customer had us out for the sale of the house. After opening the front lid and the rear lid, we found that the main line, which is coming in here, is slipping out of the front of the tank. Come over here and take a look at it. It's allowing root buildup to come in around the main line. To correct that, we need to do a main line repair where we'll cut in front, bring it in and install a front baffle, and then concrete around the tank. Back here, you can see the rear baffle is broken, as you can see. It's allowing this top layer of waste to enter into the drain fields, which can cause your tank to start overfilling and damage the drain fields. What we'll do is we'll pump it out and make all the repairs that are needed for the sale of the home.